Starting July 2023, data processing for Universal Analytics properties ceased, with Google Analytics 4 assuming control. Your UA historical data will also be lost soon. While you can still access your UA properties till the 1st of July 2024, ensure that you prepare for this sunset and save your year-on-year accumulated data from UA. Team Grazitti can help you extract historical data from your UA property and store it in different destinations, such as BigQuery, Google Sheets, Excel, JSON, and more. Data-driven digital marketing is the future. Connect with our experts to ensure a seamless transition to GA4 and harness the power of data for your business success. Visit www.grazitti.com or email us at info@grazitti.com to learn more.